Everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a one-way direction of updates instead of two-way direction. So by default with same item multiple boards, when you post an update on a shared item that exists in multiple boards, then the update will automatically show up in all of those boards. So if I create a new item here and I'm going to send it to my hidden updates board, and it's just the name of the board, it doesn't mean anything for now. Let's go here and I can see the item was created. If I post a new update, I can open that and I can see the update was added. If I create a new update in this board, then it will also show on this side. So as you can see, it's a two-way direction, but what happens if you want to have one-way direction? For example, let's say that this board is shared with my client and I don't want him to see all of the internal communication that I'm having with my team on a certain task. So for this reason, we developed a recipe that is called, when update is posted, do not share it with other boards. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to open the integration center and let's search for same item multiple boards. There we go. And I have two types of recipes that are relevant to this. So when update is created, do not add it to other boards. And when update is created, do not add it to a specific board. So let's say you share an item with 5 boards, but you don't want just a specific one to see all of the communications. And this way you use that. In this case, I'm going to pick when update is created, do not add it to other boards. I'm going to give it a second to load. And I'm going to add it to my board. And there you go. Now all of the updates that you will post on this board will not show on the other board. So I can create a new update from here. Let's call it test. And when I go to my main board, you can see there is no update here. And you can continue with that. You can do a new update 1, 2, 3. And any new update you'll post will not show on this board. However, if you want to have the updates from this board go here, it's possible. So I can do a new update here. We do update, and if you go to the hidden updates board, you can see the count changed and this update is shown. So this way you can have your internal team, or let's say this will be, for example, the client board. And this will be the private board, and you'll be able to manage internal communications like internal, why is this stuck, and you can manage all of the replies from this board, and your client will not see this communication. However, if the client will post a question like, client, hey, did you start working on it? You will be able to see it in your private board. And there you go. So one important note regarding this feature, you can see that the integration is active on my board. However, if I disable it, it will not work. So again, disabling this toggle will not affect anything. If you want to disable this feature, you will need to remove this automation altogether. And now when you post an update, you will be able to see it on the other side.